you're not a resident of Florida. So I can't issue her a notice to appear because you live out of state. So she has to go to jail for it.
Can I drive here? I can drive down to go to court.
Unfortunately, no.
If you were a resident here, it'd be different.
On the 13th of July, 2025, a retail theft by a non-Florida resident revealed the most consequential legal asymmetry most tourists never know about.
Well, hello. 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 Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Tired.
Tired?
Since 2 in the morning.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Alright, so these are the items that she concealed into her purse. We watched her select everything and put everything into that purse. This is her ID.
No, this is my bed. Her purse is out there.
Yeah. So they've been really cooperative. I thought that she was a minor at first, hence why the family's in here. Otherwise, they would have stayed out. But yeah, they've been really, really cooperative.
She's 18.
Yep, just turned 18. Yep. I'll let you talk to her. My printer's broken, so I've got to write the affidavit. I'm sorry.
South Carolina.
Yeah.
Trying to find the daggum. They're different.
Yeah.
I do like 324 Lake 65 South Carolina deal. Family.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
She ever been in trouble before?
No. She almost got kicked out of our house by her stepdad for getting a speeding ticket. Like,
okay.
She has.
Do y'all live here in Florida now?
No,
or?
we're visiting my parents. We're supposed to leave tonight. I'm meeting my mom for like an early dinner.
All right. She's 18. This is family. They live in South Carolina, leaving tonight to go back to South Carolina. She just turned 18. Mom, correct?
Yes.
Alright.
Florida Statute 812.014 classifies retail theft by value under $750 is a misdemeanor. $750 to $19,999 is a third-degree felony.
Read what we call Miranda warnings. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Miranda warnings were administered before any questioning the correct sequence. The subsequent confession is entirely lawful. Under Illinois v. Lafayette, a full search of the arrestee's possessions at booking is constitutionally sound without a separate warrant.
So what
I don't know. I
happened?
was just being really dumb. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
everything she asked for, put it in the buggy. Like, we were just trying to get out of my parents' house for a little bit because it's 75 degrees. And they're like, it's freezing in here. Let's go to the store. Get it. Get what you want.
Okay. So you concealed them in your purse there?
Yes, ma'am. You can look in my purse. I have
I'm
nothing.
going to. I'm going to search you too, so.
I have nothing else. I gave him everything.
Alright. Yeah, Do you have anything on your person I need to know about?
No, ma'am. I gave them everything back.
I meant more along the lines of any weapons. Drugs,
Oh, no, ma'am, no.
Okay. Alright, I'll just have you stand right here for me. I'm just gonna put you here. Let me give phone to mom for now, okay?
Okay.
You're fraud.
Yes, ma'am. It's just strapless.
You're fine. I'm just gonna have you fix this one. Alright, so you do have to turn around and put
Am
your
I getting
hands-
arrested?
I have to detain you at the moment, okay? You have tiny wrists. I do like 324 like I have female detained. Alright. You're gonna have a seat here for me.
Am I getting arrested?
So here's the thing.
There's
Anytime you don't
live
live in Florida, you have to go to jail for the offense because our notice to appear is for, like if you were a resident here, it'd be different. Then if you don't have any criminal history, we could
Even from
just,
here to Jacksonville, I couldn't give you one of those court dates.
yeah, you have to live.
Can we use like my
So-
grandma's address or anything? I'll drive down.
If she has no priors, it's gonna just be a misdemeanor offense. I think it's a $500 bond. If you use a bonds bailsman, you just pay, I think the minimum's $100, so it'd be $100. So you could go literally right up there, she can post her bond and she can get right back out. But she is gonna have a court date, she's gonna have to come back for court, the whole deal. So, you know, if she was still a juvenile, it would have been honestly the same scenario because you don't
How long
live
does she
here,
stay in
so-
if I don't come bail her out?
Until she bonds
out.
out.
Or time served, 30
Yeah.
days, 45 days.
So,
Here is the legal issue that defines this case. Florida's notice to appear cannot be issued to a non-resident. A notice to appear requires reasonable assurance of court appearance. For a South Carolina resident, Florida has no enforcement mechanism. Same offense. Florida resident. Citation. Non-resident, jail. That asymmetry is legal, intentional, and rarely understood by tourists.
I can't, we need it by Thursday. I can't just limit this to your brothers and the rest of the family. Because you did something so freaking stupid.
I mean, if she has family here and they want to bond her
Oh,
out, pick her
no,
up, but
they're gonna disown her after that. They're like heavy church people.
Alright.
They're not even gonna speak.
you're under 21 in the state of Florida, you also cannot vape.
That's not
So-
mine. That's my mom's.
Okay, it's in your possession. So I'm just telling you
Yes, ma'am, I
that
know,
you
but it-
can't have that in the state of Florida until you're 21.
Yes, ma'am, I
Okay,
know.
so it'll go to your mom, but
Yes, ma'am,
you can be issued citation for that, and that's a whole nother. I'm not going to, but just so you're aware, okay?
It is a whole process. I work in trauma. I watch these guys take people into me. It takes a long time. You have to
I would say, and I'm not just trying to be rude about it. It's just the simple fact you're not a resident here, so I have to take you. It's, you
We
know,
couldn't like use my grandma's address or anything to like say that.
you're not a resident. You're a resident of South Carolina, unfortunately.
So now I need to call grandma to be like, okay, well, we're not gonna reach you because your grandmother's in jail. For what? For a sunblock that you just put in a damn buggy?
Do you want purse to go to your mom?
Yes, please.
Put your glasses back in here so they don't get lost and messed up.
But you can't.
She can't have that. And I'll make sure that goes to you.
Can you please go on my phone and text me?
Go ahead. 26. She's gonna be 10-15.
How long is her booking?
Our jail's
It's-
pretty quick.
Yeah,
just
it's
depends
drive
on how
time
many people are
there,
there.
and yeah, me typing up the paperwork.
It's the end of
real quick.
the end of the shift, so
Could she like follow us there?
I mean she can. She
You can't. She's still gonna have to wait until
It's probably gonna be a couple hour process.
I'd say probably about 2 hours because it's gonna take 30 minutes to get there, and then paperwork, and then you get there.
Take your picture, your fingerprints.
I'm gonna take this with me. They'll put it in her property. When she gets out, she'll get her ID back. Okay.
This is gonna kill you.
The password is 889.
And grandma's gonna kill you. We are supposed to be back in 10 minutes, and then I have to go to jail for hours. What do you think? But I'm not gonna just let her sit there waiting.
That's a jail address.
Do you have any phone numbers you want her to have?
I know phone numbers better.
Okay, so you're good on that part. Okay. Will you send me a statement when you get it?
You
With
just
the
send her
time,
a
I
link.
want to go ahead and.
Yeah, you can send her a link.
Huh?
Send her a link.
Okay.
I'll do that pretty quick.
Yeah, no, I will, but if you can just.
I'll be right back in there.
Okay.
Whose bag is that?
That's not ours.
Not yours. Okay.
Well, yeah.
Well, let it be a lesson to learn from. We're gonna go all the way down to that next car.
So what all do we have to do?
Basically, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's in a totally different town from here. It's about 30 minutes away. I'll work on the paperwork. They'll take your picture, fingerprints. Once you're booked in, you'll have the bond set. Mom or someone, if they want to bail you out, can come bail you out. If they choose not to do that, then you're going to have to sit there until.
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Will you stand by real
Do
quick
you
so I
know
fix my
if, because
seatbelt?
I'm going to school to get elementary school teacher, it'll like affect my
Probably
career?
not.
Do you want to affect my career?
I mean, they'll probably ask you about it.
Apparently my seatbelt broke.
What's the difference between the two?
Felony, you can't own guns, you can't vote, you can't do a lot of things.
What is going on with this?
Use your
Is it because it wasn't a certain amount or something?
It's because you're not a resident in the state of Florida.
That's the only reason why.
Can you see if you can get that?
So whenever I get there, can I call people or do I have to
You
wait?
gotta wait till they book you in.
But then there's they have like payphones in the cell, so
They're
you can.
free in booking.
But they're free in booking, so you can make a call.
Like
for
whenever
free.
I'm waiting to get booked?
No, it's harder.
Am I
I'll get the arrow one back here for you, okay?
Like, it's okay. And whenever I get there, I'm gonna be changed out of my clothes too, and everything changed.
But
They'll change her into like
a jumpsuit
yeah, and
and
different
orange
shoes.
Crocs. And you get a Florida ID. Say Lake County Jail.
All right, I'll get the air going for you in just a
I already
second.
turned it
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Send the link before you take off.
Yep.
You have the email, right?
Yeah.
I'll just send it to you too.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Just what I wanted when I'm tired as crap.
Florida Statute 562.111 makes underage possession a violation, regardless of ownership. The officer declined to cite lawful charging discretion. Defense counsel should seek Florida's first offender diversion or adjudication withheld. Both avoid a permanent conviction record. The officer receives an A. Miranda before questioning, lawful search, correct NTA rule, sound discretion, exceptional communication. The subject receives a B. Immediate confession. Full cooperation. No priors. Deducted for the theft. Remorse does not undo the conduct. 3 takeaways. First, if you are not a Florida resident, a misdemeanor arrest means jail. There is no citation alternative. Second, Miranda is not a formality. It is the wall between a lawful confession and a suppressible one. Never waive without consulting an attorney. Third, a misdemeanor conviction is not the end. Florida's first offender diversion and adjudication withheld can preserve a clean record. Let us know which interactions you want analyzed in the comments. Thank you for watching. Street Bodycam has more.